Hi everyone, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the Kent C-4 carpet extractor. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it'll help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So you have a damaged vac motor on your carpet extractor, and we have to replace it. Here is how we do it. First, we want to remove the 4 Phillips head screws holding the back panel to the machine. Now, go ahead and grab the exhaust hose, pull that out of the machine. Our next step is we are going to remove these 4 Phillips head screws to these metal straps. Now take a Phillips head screwdriver and just pry the vac motor out of the machine. Now what we want to do is we want to remove this hose clamp to the vacuum hose. Just like that. After removing the vac motor and the vacuum duct from the machine, let's go ahead and disconnect the wires. Now what we need to do is take a 7/16 socket and a 7/16 wrench and remove the 3 bolts holding the vac motor to the vacuum duct. Now we can just go ahead and remove the vacuum duct from the vac motor. And right here is your vac motor gasket. Now if you need to replace that, go ahead and pull that off of the duct. Get your new gasket, stick it on there. Now take your new vac motor, just reverse the steps to install. Go ahead, line up your holes on your vacuum duct. Now just tighten down the nuts and bolts. And now we're ready to put it back into the machine. Okay, next step, let's go ahead and plug your wires back in. And now we're going to take the vac motor, slide it back up into the machine, and we're going to reattach the vacuum hose. With the vacuum hose connected back to the vacuum duct, go ahead and tighten this hose clamp back down. Now that you have the vacuum hose attached and the hose clamp tightened down, go ahead and take your duct and your vacuum and slide it back up in the machine. Make sure the duct is flush with the bottom of the machine. Now what we're going to do is take our metal straps and reattach them to the bottom and tighten the screws down. Now take your exhaust hose and go ahead and put that back on the vac motor. And now we can close the back panel. just like that. Now all we gotta do is insert the 4 screws to the back panel. Now what we have to do, go ahead and tighten down those 4 screws holding the back panel to the machine. And last but not least, take your quick connect and reconnect it. Just like that, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you liked what you watched, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Remember to always stay safe, and thanks for watching.